The RAM no-drill vehicle mounting system is the most rugged and ergonomic solution on the market for securing your laptop or tablet in your vehicle, custom fit to the specific year, make, and model. With easy-to-adjust height and swing arm articulation, as well as ball and socket angling, position your computer exactly where you need it for convenient access. Customizable accessories, and the ability to interchange between laptops and tablets, RAM mounts are best suited for police vehicles, utility vans, semi-trucks, or simply your own personal mobile office. Made in the USA and backed with a lifetime warranty, RAM mounts have been tested under strenuous shock and vibration profiles, guaranteeing a solid solution for any rough roads and harsh environments.